Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to your girl's channel. So today's video is a review from Alipearl. I'll be reviewing their 22-inch Kinky straight V-part wig and 180% density. Once you receive this hair, Alipearl will also provide this cute pink bag including a wig cap, edge brush, and all the necessities you might need. And the main attraction is the wig, y'all. So this is the wig in its true state outside of the bag with no added products. The hair feels super soft and thick, and I really can't wait to see how it looks on me. So let's get started, y'all. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the inside of the wig, I'm just going to I like to place the wig onto my head just so that once it's placed on, I can clip it and adjust it to my liking. But I just want y'all to peep. Look how thick this hair looks on my head, and look how long it is. So mind you, I'm like 5'1", 5'2". So this hair is super thick on me, and it comes all the way down to my waist, kind of touching my butt. So so I really have to work with this wig, so y'all stay tuned to see what happens. Also, disclaimer, if you're new to watching my videos, this is your first time watching my videos, I will say this and repeat this. I do not know how to braid. I barely know how to flat twist, especially with my nails. So if you're wondering why my hair isn't braided down on the sides that I'm not using, it's okay. Just ignore it and just continue to stay tuned. This hair will be clipped on either way. Another disclaimer, I am not the best at wand curling, so as you can see kind of throughout these clips I was struggling a little bit. So if you have little thoughts in your head like, what is she doing? I wasn't sure. I rarely straighten or wand curl my own hair, but I was doing what I could do, improvising. So as you can see, I have finished straightening and wand curling the hair, and the hair was super thick. It was a little hard to straighten the hair and to get a little flat at first, but your girl got it. So I'm applying some oil and some oil sheen just to hold in these curls because I noticed they were dropping a little bit. Also, disclaimer, like I said, I'm not really good at wand curling, but it came out better than expected. What y'all think? Okay guys, so this is the final results of your girl's hair, and I absolutely love how my hair came out. And the reason why I'm emphasizing love, because when I first put it on my head, I was just like, I'm not gonna like this. I think it's too big. I think it's too much. Like the hair, as you could see in those clips, the hair was coming down to my butt, and I was like, no ma'am. And then it's gonna be too much on me. I'm short, so long, just super thick hair just don't look good on me. It's just too much, okay? But when it's already to here, but when it was down there, yeah, too much. Anyways, but when I went ahead and wand curled it, it just gave it life. Like, it was just like, that, so it is. You know what I'm saying? And I just absolutely love, I'm gonna just keep emphasizing that. So if you do want to know where this hair came from, again, I will repeat it again at the end because y'all know how y'all like to skip parts. And I will leave the link in my description below. This hair is from Alipearl. This is a 22-inch kinky straight U-part wig. V-part, U-part. I love it. I love it. Yes, ma'am. I am in love. And it was so easy to straighten this hair. I know some extensions that I have purchased before, and it just gives that like burn smell, or it's hard to straighten. Like, it really feels like natural hair. It's super soft like natural hair. Only thing that I will say about this wig, it is kind of big head friendly. It's not for a small head girls. I did adjust the straps in the back, but it's still kind of like that. I mean, it does feel secure. I'm about to go somewhere, so it do feel secure, whatever. But yeah, it's kind of big head friendly. But other than that, I love this hair. Definitely will recommend. 10 out of 10. I will recommend this hair. Go get it. Again, this hair is from Alipearl, 22 inches, kinky straight V-part wig, U-part wig. Either one, it's a V-part wig. So yes, girls, yes, ladies, go and grab it. It is my code will be in the description box below. Go ahead and get this for the holidays so you be cute for your man and your family. But yeah, so I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel.